Did you know that you can buy a property up to a fourplex as a primary residence as long as you're going to live in one of the units? So you can buy a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex, live in one of the units, and use that as an investment property, essentially. You can buy it with as little as 3.5% down. And the best part is, let's say you bought a fourplex, so you put 3.5% down. The rents for the other 3 units should easily cover the mortgage. If they don't cover the mortgage, that's probably not a great investment, or the seller might be asking too much for it. But you can buy a fourplex, live in one of the units, and now you've got the other 3 units paying your mortgage for you. You're probably even making a little extra money on the side. And the best part is, if you don't qualify for the price of that fourplex, you can actually use the rent from the other 3 units to help qualify for the payment.